Welcome all of you. In this tutorial, I will show you how to transform simple everyday footage into stunning, movie-like visuals using Filmora. We will cover cinematic transitions, speed ramping, color grading, sound design, and the finishing touches that make your videos look truly professional. So, if you are ready to turn ordinary moments into unforgettable stories, let's open Filmora and create something amazing. Firstly, open Filmora. Then import your clip from here like this. And then drag and drop it to the timeline. And make sure your clip are renamed already because it saves time in identification. So now I will make sharp cut in these clip one by one. And I will remove unwanted parts. Movies are not built from long recordings. It's built from the emotions. So, remove every boring second from the clip. And keep only the moments that make you feel something special in the video clip. Sometimes, less footage creates a stronger story. So just watch it carefully. For now, we are moving to the next part of tutorial. I have already sound effect in my clip. So, I will use these sound. If you need, then you can add additional sound effect. Here, I am adding tick-tick sound from sound effect like this. Now come to next part. Here, we will add transition as per need. I am adding fast zoom transition between first clip and second clip. Then, I will add second transition, fast zoom out, in between second and third clip. After it, I am adding here third transition, light blur slide, in between fourth and fifth clip. Then after, fourth transition, light leak, in between sixth and seventh clip. After it, fifth transition, phantom parallax zoom in between seventh and eighth clip. Similarly, add transition like this. And keep in mind, transitions should not distract the momentum. It should guide the viewer's eyes. You should use light film transitions between important scenes because they add energy without stealing attention. Now come to next part. Here I am adding cinema effect from effect section. And apply like this. Now I will add background music. So, come to audio section. Then, sound effect. Then, cinematic. Here I will choose legendary march. Now adjust it to like this. Now come to next part. Here, I am doing color grading according to the clip and achieve the result which you need. In this part, we are adding cinematic title because it enhances the story in the clip. Similarly, add title where you need. If this tutorial helped you to transform ordinary moments into something cinematic, then hit that like button, subscribe for more Filmora editing tutorials, and let me know in the comments, what ordinary moment will you turn into your next masterpiece? I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.